Goes on sound. Testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And of course, you can adjust that as well. So there's so much that you can adjust. Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this fill light combo. Now I'm pretty excited because, as you guys know, with recording videos, we need as much different lighting and cool effects as possible. And this, I'm pretty excited to actually get testing out. And of course, like always, you get your manuals and all that fun stuff. Charging cable as well. Carrying pouch. And of course, what everybody has come to see. And that's it for the box. And we will be demonstrating this, just showing you guys some effects. So this is what it looks like. I love that it has all these different mounts for you to mount different things. That's awesome. Ooh, that's magnetic. That's smart of them. I love that. So once, go ahead and take this off. You can easily adjust. These work great for directing the light where you want it to go. So you can easily have them flat out. You can adjust one, so if you want the light to bounce and reflect off of a certain way, you can easily do that. And of course, let's see, which might be this side here. You can easily mount it like that. Let's take that off just for now as we open everything up. And of course, you can actually take the lens off as well. I love how everything is interchangeable, just like this lens as well. So you can easily take that off or not. There's the light itself. Fully adjustable for on a tripod. It's actually pretty cool. I like this design. You charge it right through here. If you need to move this, you can easily slide this up. So you just slide that up and it pops open, and then you can pop everything out. For whatever reason, if you need to pop this whole thing out, you can easily do that for cleaning and, you know, other stuff. So again, they make everything really simple and easy for this. So for this, you press in and then press long press, and then it turns on. I love the little display. And of course, then adjust this, select your language. Okay, so you press in there. Ooh, let's go. Wow. Okay. Let's, oh my word. Let's turn off lights so you guys can actually see how this works. Alright. As we can see here, you can press it to rapidly jump. So here we can drop it down to off. You can press again, and that jumps it to 50%. Press it again, it jumps it to 100. But of course, you can manually adjust it. I really like this so far, and we are just getting started. So you can adjust it all the way up, as you can see here, all the way up from 0 to 100. Love that. Now we can adjust the colors. As you can see, we have red, flashing, oh, this, okay, so this one goes on here. I mean, it's crazy what you can do. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I mean, you could change so much. That's incredible. You can change your language, go through all those settings there. You can change the color temperature. So here we can go all the way up to 10,000K on brightness and color. And then of course, if we want to drop this down, you can go all the way to 2500. Gives you that warm light. Of course, you can change other settings as well. I mean, this is incredible. This is very professional. Like, extreme professionalism with this company. We can change the colors here. It's gonna be a little tough for you guys to see this, but you can see how we're changing the different colors. and then you could go manually through each one. And you can you can change everything, the hue, the saturation. I mean, it is incredible. So if you don't want as much saturation, RG, you can, you can adjust everything. So we want to drop this one. Let's drop down here and drop this one. I mean, it's just incredible. And of course, now let's go ahead and drop other stuff on here just to show you guys how this actually works. So if you want to angle the lighting, so you got a direct point, you can easily do that. So now you got that direct point. You can see how, if you want to angle it, the light out. Let's actually go ahead and swap this back. All right. Swap this over here. And swap this to 100. There we go. So again, you can see how you could customize the light, have that lens reflect out, and of course that's with the one filter on. You can go ahead and interchange. So we take off that, we could go ahead and put this one on, pop this one on, and now you can see, and you can see how it affects as you turn this. Overall, very impressed with this. And there's so many more features, guys.